park at Fenway. Nice. Number one. Hi, Jeff. Oh, yeah. You ain't kidding. This place is going to look nice when they're done. Oh. Gotta go. There it is. There's the red seat right there. That's Ted Williams' chair right there. Here's a home run. Fenway Park. That's a gift. Go zoom in up on Jeff now. He's up there somewhere. He was. There he is. Oh yeah. Cool. Train in action too. It's a behind the scenes look. I hope he, oh Jesus. And here it comes. Oh, don't hit my truck. Alright, I'm getting loaded. This is awesome. I'm gonna have to get the back, stand back. Oh, that ain't gonna work. You better get that up front. Alright, I gotta go. Get out gate, see? I don't hit the door. Go away.